Are you looking for the best lithium battery? In this video, we will show 5 best lithium battery. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. 48-volt lithium battery for golf cart with 18A charger. 48-volt lithium battery with 200A BMS, LCD and mobile monitor, 5.12 kilowatt-hours with 10.24 kilowatt output, 1000A peak current for golf cart. Brand, OGRPHY. Vehicle service type, golf cart, RV, truck, van. Size, 48-volt 100AA. Voltage, 51.2 volts. Battery cell composition, lithium phosphate. Item weight, 88.1 pounds. Number of cells, 16. Resistance, 10 milliohms. Terminal, M8. Number 1. 48-volt lithium battery for golf cart with 18A charger. 48-volt lithium battery with 200A BMS, LCD and mobile monitor, 5.12 kilowatt-hours with 10.24 kilowatt output, 1000A peak current for golf cart. Brand, OGRPHY. Vehicle service type, golf cart, RV, truck, van. Size, 48-volt 100AA. Voltage, 51.2 volts. Battery cell composition, lithium phosphate. Item weight, 88.1 pounds. Number of cells, 16. Resistance, 10 milliohms. Terminal, M8.
Number 3. 48-volt 100 amp-hour lithium battery golf cart battery with 18A lithium charger. Upgraded 200A BMS system. 48-volt 120 amp-hour live FEV pop complete upgrade kit with LCD monitor. 10.24 kilowatt output. Prefect for golf cart. Number of batteries, 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Voltage, 48 volts. Brand, MEYULMOL. Battery cell composition, lithium polymer. Recommended uses for product, outdoor. Why choose us? MEYULMOL provides you with 48-volt lithium-ion batteries manufactured using certified automotive-grade A-class cells, featuring higher energy density, more stable performance, and greater power. With a commitment to a 10-year lifespan and over 5,000 deep cycles, it also offers 24-hour rapid response technical support and online customer service, ready to assist you with any product-related issues at any time. One-stop golf cart power system solution. Upgrade to a safer, more efficient 48-volt 100A live FEV pop battery with a dedicated 18A charger. Features an integrated LCD display, allowing you to monitor battery data in real time even while driving. No need to stop and check. Designed specifically for golf carts, this vehicle-specific solution saves time and effort, making your golfing experience more convenient and worry-free. Lightweight design for effortless handling. Upgraded 200A intelligent BMS with 700A peak current delivers powerful torque, making uphill climbs feel effortless. Weighing only 81.4 pounds, over 50% lighter than lead-acid batteries, and 25% more compact, it significantly reduces vehicle load. Experience faster acceleration, lower tire wear, and agile control even on rough terrain. Whether navigating complex landscapes or carrying heavy loads, it maintains ample power and long-range range. Number 4. 48-volt 105A lithium golf cart battery. Complete upgrade kit with charger, LCD display, voltage reducer, retention strap, built-in 200A BMS, max 10.24 kilowatt power output, perfect for golf carts. Number of batteries, 1 lithium-ion batteries required. Brand, Vautrare Power. Battery cell composition, lithium-ion. Battery capacity, 5,376 amp-hours. Recommended uses for product, golf cart. All-in-one 48-volt lithium golf cart battery upgrade kit. Comes with everything you need for a seamless upgrade. A high-performance 58.4-volt 20A charger, 48-volt to 12-volt converter, 2.8-inch LCD touch display for real-time monitoring, and a durable retention strap. No additional accessories required. Top flight performance. 48-volt 105A golf cart LiFeO P4 battery is manufactured by top-of-the-line Grade A prismatic LiFeO P4 cells and has a compact 5.37 kilowatt energy, which is equivalent to 4 pieces 12-volt 100A LiFeO P4 in 4S, even 8 pieces 12-volt 100A AGM batteries in 8S.
It has a great 10.24 kilowatt power with low self-discharge rate, low capacity loss, more stable performance, and continuous discharge current up to 200A, which is 50% more powerful than the other same-size lithium battery. Get rid of lead acid now. Vatra Power 48V 105A lithium golf cart battery unleashes an impressive surge of power, delivering exceptional acceleration and performance.
Number 5. 48V lithium golf cart battery, 200A BMS, with touch monitor and mobile app. 4,000 plus cycles, 48V lithium battery with 18A charger. Perfect for golf carts, solar. Brand, OGRPH. Battery cell composition, lithium-ion. Vehicle service type, golf cart, solar. Size, 48V 105Ah. Voltage, 51.2 volts. Item weight, 99.2 pounds. Number of cells, 1. Resistance, 15 milliohms.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.